All right, ducks, you need to move. This will be the first time I've been in a kayak since I raised that seat. Hoping it's gonna make a difference. Oh yeah, nice. All right, Donald and Daffy, have a good day. I'm gonna be out fishing. We got a full moon. I'm just expecting this to be a stellar weekend. It's Friday afternoon, so I thought I'd get out a little bit today, and then I'm going to go to a bigger lake nearby tomorrow morning, and then Sunday morning with a buddy of mine. Weather permitting. You know how it is. All week long it's nice and no wind. Weekend comes along, chance of thunderstorms. Well, that's the nature of it. Got to deal with it. Wind ain't going to kill you. Just got to deal with it. I mean, it's not really high wind. It's just that I can't just sit in one place too long, or I'm getting blown into the reeds. I'll get up on the other side of the lake where that wind is being blocked by the trees over there, but I like to get this little corner restarted for the day because it's usually the hot spot right between where the regular bank meets the dam right there. I think that breeze has stopped enough to where I can stand up. I prefer to stand up, get a better hook set, and look around. Grass. I want bass, not grass. There we go. Right next to that column, too. Keep him down. I mean, feels like a good one. Yeah, that's a nice one. I figured they might be sitting there right there by that column. One of those columns. Not bad. I'll give him a measure because he might call one of the smaller bass in my tournament. Let's see. You got fat boy. Oh well. Fat guy. Nice fish. Thanks for participating in my fishing adventures there, little buddy. All right, let's dig for a trailer. That'll work. I think I have some sitting down here for no reason. Well, how do you like that? Happens all the time. The weird thing is, for me, is if I don't have a trailer on the chatterbait, I don't seem to get hits. But if I don't have a trailer on my spinning bait, you think of how hot it is that this deep water here would just be teeming with bass, but very weird. Maybe they don't. The cloud cover starting to dissipate. There's one. As soon as I sped it up. Well, not huge. Don't think it's gonna call one of my tournament ones. I'm sure if he's not. I'm just gonna take a personal photo. And he's going back in the water. Little guy. But hey, it's all good. You ready, buddy? Thanks for participating in my fishing adventures. I don't know what that was. It was massive. It might have been a carp. You never know. I mean, it was just huge on my sonar there. No, there's one. Feels like a little one. Huh. Barely hooked. He came off right as soon as I brought him out of the water. $14.5. I'm not sure if that's going to call my fish, but I'm not going to risk it. Maybe not right away, but where that tree is falling in the water, that's going to end up being a great spot for bass to hang out in when the weather gets weird. Oh, that's awesome. Hate it for the tree, but you know, it's nature. I think this guy's... Let me take care of that in a minute. All these fat guys, man, with they're short. Thanks, little buddy, for participating in my fishing adventures. Gotta get back in the water. You know, the lake is different every time I come here, and that's why you gotta watch the lake, pay attention to your surroundings. Not just for safety reasons, I'm talking about for fishing reasons. The grass mats have moved around, the fish have moved around to different spots. It used to be if I threw that, a couple weeks ago, if I threw that chatterbait anywhere near that bank right there, it'd just be all hung up in grass. And now I can kind of get that edge and bring it in without hitting a bunch of grass. But I got one. Yep, there's one right there. Oh, he is a fat boy too. Nice. Nice fat boy right there. Nice. Nice. My. I ain't gonna complain about that to start the day off, that's for sure. 2.90. I'll take him. Not a bad looking bass right there. All right, little buddy, I'm gonna appreciate you participating in my fishing adventures there. This back camera keeps overheating. Probably because I have the media pack on it. It's all enclosed, but we shall see. Oh, there's one. Oh, that feels like a good one too. Stay down. Little guy, but God, he hit that thing hard. Thought for sure that was going to be a 5-pounder at least. Thanks, buddy. I mean, he's not bad, but he's only 14 inches, and I already have 14 for my tournament, so it's got to be bigger to call it. So, not bad. Well, buddy, thanks for participating. All right.